Do you know when is the best time for buying? Do you know when you should enter the market? If you don't, so you should watch this video. Hello, I'm Dr. Trader Amir and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about some of amazing candlestick patterns that are so practical in defining when is the best time for buying. The first candlestick pattern that I'm going to talk about is hammer candlestick pattern, and hammers are mostly happen at the end of downtrend. And hammer candlestick pattern is like a reversed shooting star. In shooting star, there was a long upper shadow, and the color of a body was red. But in hammer candlestick pattern, there is a so long lower shadow and the color of body is green. And for example, in this instance, which is from Bitcoin, we can see that at first there was a downtrend and the price decreased from approximately $49,000 to less than $38,000, and suddenly the market sees this hammer candlestick pattern and react to it so sharply, and downtrend altered to uptrend. Also, the price increased from approximately $39,000 to more than $55,000. And this case approves and substantiates that how hammer candlestick pattern can be so strong and also change the trend, and also uh, it can lead to sharp increase in the price of the market. And the new candlestick pattern that I'm going to talk about in this session is morning star. Morning stars mostly happen at the end of downtrend, and if you look at this with uh, so closely, you can see that it is like a reversed evening star. In evening star, this candle was green, and this was green, and this was red. And in shooting in evening star, that mostly happens at downtrend, the morning star is completely reversed. It means that morning stars mostly happen at the end of downtrend, and when the market sees this pattern, it's gonna change the trend from downtrend to uptrend. And also there are three conditions for Morningstar approval, and also these three conditions can make our pattern stronger. The first condition is Morningstar should happen at the end of downtrend, which is so obvious and clarified, because when the morning star happens at the end of uptrend, it means that the uptrend gonna keep its trend and the price gonna go higher and higher. And also the second condition is if there is a gap between first and second and third candles, the pattern gonna be more powerful and stronger. And also if there isn't any gap between candles, it doesn't mean that the morning star candlestick pattern cannot work. No, it's not. And also, the third condition is the volume of this big green candlestick should be more than these two candlestick, because it means that the traders were so stronger in uh, increasing the price than decreasing the price. And also, I brought you one real-time example from Bitcoin market, and you can see that at first there was a tiny downtrend, and the price decreased from approximately $98,000 to approximately $95,000, and suddenly the market sees this morning star candlestick pattern. You can see that after the morning star candlestick pattern, the market react so sharply, and the price increased from approximately $95,000 to approximately 99 and $600,000, and there was about $4,000 increase in the price of Bitcoin market just after seeing this morning star candlestick pattern. And this proves how strong this morning star candlestick pattern can be. And also, if we want to check the approval, we can see that it happens at the end of downtrend, and the first condition is checked. And also, there isn't any gap between the first, second, and third candles. And I mentioned earlier that it is okay if there isn't any gap between candlesticks. And also, the third one is the volume of candlesticks, and also the volume of trading in green candlestick is more than others. And these conditions proves that how strong is our candlestick pattern, I mean morning star. Another candlestick pattern which is so essential to know is bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing candlestick patterns mostly happen at the end of downtrend. Also, bullish engulfing means that this green candlestick should engulf this red candlestick entirely and completely. And also, there is two conditions that make this pattern, make the bullish engulfing so much stronger and more powerful. The first one is the volume of green candlestick should be more than red candlestick, because if the volume of green candlestick is more, it means that the traders who wanted to increase the price are more than the traders who wanted to decrease the price. So overally it means that the price gonna go higher and higher. And also the second condition is the second candle, I mean the green candlestick, should engulf the first one entirely and completely. And if the red candlestick have big upper shadow, long upper shadow, and lower shadow, the green candlestick should engulf all of upper shadow, lower shadow, and the body of red candlestick. And if these two conditions are getting approval and check, it means that our bullish engulfing candlestick pattern is so strong, and also it's going to change the trend of market from downtrend to uptrend. Also, it's gonna increase the price. And also, I brought you two examples and instance for grasp the information about bullish engulfing more properly. The first example is from Bitcoin market, our friend Bitcoin. And as you can see, at first in the market there was a downtrend, and the price decreased from approximately $97,800 to less than $96,200. And suddenly the market sees this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. You can see that in this pattern, the green candlestick engulfs the red candlestick entirely. I mean, both body and upper shadow is completely engulfed by the green candlestick. And as I mentioned earlier, if this condition happens, it means that our candlestick pattern is so strong. And the proof of our condition, we can see that the price increased sharply from approximately $96,000 to more than $98,000 just after seeing this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. And as I mentioned earlier in my previous videos, if you memorize these candlestick patterns like bullish engulfing, hammer, or morning star, your eyes gonna be so expert and fast. And if you see any of these candlestick patterns in the market, like for example Bitcoin or gold or whatever market you want to attend, after seeing these bullish engulfing or other candlestick patterns and also getting approval from those conditions that I talked about, you can have a so safe trade in these markets. And also, I brought you another example, and this is from gold market. And as you can see, at first there was a downtrend, and the price decreased from approximately uh, $2,625 to less than $2,590, and suddenly the market sees the bullish engulfing. You can see that the green candlestick engulfed the red candlestick entirely and thoroughly. I mean, it engulfed both the body and upper shadow of red candles, and which means that this pattern is so strong. And the proof of this condition is that after seeing this, the market react to it so sharply, and the price increased from approximately $2,590 to more than $2,630, which is a strong and so powerful proof for this candlestick pattern that markets are so sensitive to this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and the market's gonna react so sharply to this. And also there are some other candlestick patterns that we can predict when the market gonna uh, when the market gonna rise after seeing these candlestick patterns, that I'm going to talk about them in later videos. And also there are some other conditions that make this candlestick patterns so much stronger, and they will help us to have a safer trade. And also there is so much indicators that will help us to have a better trading, and also uh, enter the market at the optimum price. And I will talk about them in later videos. And also there are too much indicators that if you want to talk about them, and also I will promise you to talk about them in later videos. And as I mentioned in my every videos, if you want to be an expert trader, if you want to be a professional in trading, you should rehearse and practice every day, daily, hourly, because trading is mostly like mathematics. For example, in mathematics, if you want to be a professional, if you want to get a grade in your exam, it is not enough to just know about the formula. You should rehearse and practice, because practice always makes perfect. And trading is so similar to mathematics, and it is not enough and sufficient to just know about candlestick patterns. No, you should go and review and understand charts, and you should analyze charts, and you should find all of the candlestick patterns that I've talked about. The more practice and rehearse you do in charts, the more expert you will be in your trade. Thanks for watching this video. You can ask any questions related to trading and candlestick patterns and price action methods in the comment box. And also, you can directly message me, and I will answer to you as soon as possible. Have a great day. Bye bye.